Hey guys, so today I made a gingerbread house and I made it with my little brother-in-law. It's very nice to do this with your kids because they really love it, although he was a bit fussy. But you should really try this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had fun making it. So first things first, after your cookies are done, you make your glue. By that I mean the royal icing. I line the board to stick my front part of the house. Ice the cookies as well just to make sure it sticks. Use cups or whatever you have in hand to support your house from falling. I used 2 cups, one on the outside and the other inside. Next, you put the one side of the house that you want. I double put the glue to make sure it really stuck, because some places there weren't enough. I now put the other side of the house. Then the last is the back part of the house. So I also decided to make an outbuilding using a rectangle, 2 squares and a rectangle cut to make a different style for the roof. I stuck it together to my house using my glue and small cups, of course. For the outbuilding, I did put the roof together with, but for my house I waited around 1 hour for it to dry a little, so that when I put my roof I wouldn't destroy my house. I put one side of the roof, waited another hour, then I put the other side. I did wait 1 day for the whole house to dry before decorating, just to prevent my house from falling. Oh, and don't forget the chimney, I put it last. Fun part, candies! Jelly sweets, Smarties, or the cheaper version like mine, and some weird Kit Kats. Do you wanna build a snowman? Oh, that came out horrible. Okay, back to the point. I made a snowman with fondant. I colored some royal icing red. Actually, my brother-in-law did. So we both painted the roof. I was painting and he tried to destroy it. I saw that at the end. Where's the hygiene in this kitchen? Keep on painting. Don't use too much of the icing as it tends to run down. I used Kit Kats to give structure to the roof. I alternated between having Kit Kat and not having. I measured using a Kit Kat so everything would be Kit Kat size. I did the same to the other side. You will need to hold the Kit Kats for a bit just until they stick. Now, I have some green royal icing. I use it on the door and window. So far so good. Stick your door. So here I was trying to get Ariane's attention, but he was too busy making his fondant figures. Yeah, now he wants. So we used our white icing and made snow all over our house. As you can see, my sous chef was very busy doing his figures. I'm still putting snow. It was a very snowy day. Now I use my cheap Smarties and line the house. My sous chef was very helpful here, as you can see. That's just because I promised him candy. I used cashew nuts for the sides of the roof. At this point, my sous chef was too hungry and snacking on the nuts. And I used raisins for the middle. We put our fake Smarties in our chimney to put Santa's feet as if he was trying to enter the house. For my outbuilding, I used chopped almonds on the bottom part, and that's all I did for the outbuilding as I think less is more. The magic touch, some snow. We used coconut to put our snow. Oh, and I also made a fondant Christmas tree and some gingerbread tiny family. And that's how our house looks. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed having my sous chef on today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, then please give the video a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to keep seeing my sous chef with me. If you haven't subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Also, don't forget to share. It gives the channel a massive support. Right, Ariane?
Yeah!